This is the demo for Google Cloud Run plugin. Let's get started. We'll go to Design, Workload Designer, create new, job definition. We can search for Google Cloud Run. Here is the plugin. Add the plugin. In the general info section, we need to pass the name and workstation. I'll name it GC Demo 1 workstation. Okay. In the connection section, we have two options for the test connection. One is with the default credential, another one with the server credentials. For the default credential, we need to pass the region, and the service account path should be saved in the environment variables. If we see the GCP server credentials, we have option to pass service account path. Either we can choose it or we can pass it directly from here. We have project ID, region. Let me pass the service account, project ID, region. We also have an option for proxy server usage for security purposes. If you check on the box, you have option to pass proxy username, password, host, and port. Let's click on test connection. Test connection is successful. Okay. In the action, we have option to select the job. Also, we have a checkbox selecting which will enable the plugin to delete the execution after its completion. Let's select the job. Let me select BATTO1. Okay. Let's save the job. The job have been saved. Let me submit. JC demo 1. Okay, the job has been submitted in the current plan. To monitor the same, we can go to monitor workload. It's in ready state. Let me change the priority to go. As we see, the job is in execution state. Let's wait for a while. And it's successful. We can check the job log. As we see, the job status is success, and we have all the other details. It says that an execution has been created with name BATTO1 DJBF5. We can verify the same. And this is the one which we have created using the plugin.